Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Well, today we will discuss about area. Okay, as you know that yesterday we have discussed about perimeter, that means outer boundary of closed figure. But today we will discuss about area. So let's go for study. Here, measurement of area. We can measure a region by a unit region and find out how many times the unit region is contained in the given region. Normally, a square region. Here you have given a square. So a square region is taken as unit region or unit area. Unit means one. One unit length, that means its area will be unit area. Okay. The unit area is the area of a square with side 1 unit. Clear? Here you have given some working rules to find the area using a squared paper. Okay. So let's see here. Give an example. Find the area of each of the following figure. You have given here picture number 1, that means yes, 1 and 2. So first of all you count all the squares like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So the area of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is equal to 20, 22 into 1, we get 22 centimeter square. Clear? So here count the number of complete square. You have to count the complete square. Now next we see the picture number 2. Here complete square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here total number of complete square is 14 and more than half a square is 1, 2. Clear? So there are 2 squares, that is more than half. So area of A, B, C, D, E, area of A, B, C, D, E is equal to 14 into 1. Why? Because the 14 squares are complete and more than half a square is 2, 1 and 2. So 2 into 1, we get 14 plus 2, 16 centimeters. There is no any half of the square. Okay. So we put here 0 into half. That means number of half a square will be 0. Number of squares more than half will be 2 and complete squares are 14. So their total area will be 16 centimeter square. Clear? So you have given here some formulas to find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Area of a square, side into side, means side square, side to the power 2. Clear? So please remember it. Now let's see the given exercise question. Exercise 11.2. You have given here the perimeter of rectangle of an area 650 centimeter square whose breadth is 30 centimeter is. Means we need to find the perimeter of rectangle when area is given and breadth is also given. Clear? So guys, please see here, I have solved exercise 11.2, question number 1 of 1. Okay. Area of rectangle is equal to 650 centimeter square. Breadth of rectangle is equal to 13 centimeter square. Now let the length of a rectangle is x centimeter. We let here the length of rectangle is x centimeter. Therefore, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. As we know that area of rectangle is length multiply breadth. Means area is 650 is equal to length is x into breadth is 13. Clear? Now x equal to 650 by 13. Here we transpose this 13 into division. Clear? Now x will be 50. 13 1 ja 13 and 13 5 ja 65 and 0. That means when we divide 650 by 13 we get 50 centimeter. That means length of rectangle will be 50 centimeter and perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, means 2 into 50 plus 13 means 2 into 63. 50 plus 13 we get 63. Now 63 multiplied by 2 we get 126 centimeter. That means the option C is correct. Here option C is correct. Clear? Now we see question number 2. If the length of a diagonal of a square is 20 centimeter, then its perimeter is what? 10, 40, 40 root 2 and 200 centimeter. So let's see here. Here you have given the length of a diagonal of a square. The length of a diagonal of a square is 20 centimeter. Clear? See the given picture. This is a square. A, B, C, D is a square. Here C, B, B, C is the diagonal. Their length is 20 centimeter. Clear? Let the length of each side of a square is x centimeter. As we know that all sides of a rectangle is same, that means x centimeter. AC is also x centimeter, CD is also x centimeter and BD is also x centimeter. Clear? Here BC or you can say CB is the diagonal. Clear? Now we know that the length of a diagonal of a square is root 2 into length of one side of a square. When we have to find the diagonal, length of diagonal means we multiply length of one side by a square root of 2. Clear? So diagonal is equal to root 2 into side of a square, one side. That means length of one side. Means diagonal is 20 root 2 into x. X is the length of one side of a square. Clear? So x will be 20 by root 2. root 2 is transposed here. Transposed. 20 by root 2 we get 10 root 2. When we divide 20 by root 2 we get 10 root 2. How? We know that 10 root 2 multiply 10 10 root 2 multiply by root 2 we get 20. Root 2 2 and 2 tens are 20. Clear? So x will be 10 root 2. That means length of each side of a square x is equal to 10 root 2 centimeter. Clear? Now perimeter of a square, 4 into length of one side means 4 into 10 root under 2 means 10 4 ja 4 10 ja 40 root 2. So option C is correct. You have given here option C is correct. Clear? Now question number 3. If side of a square is decreased by 3 times, its area is decreased by 1/3, 2/3, 2/9, 1/9. So guys, see here question number 3. I have solved for this. Let the side of a square be x centimeter. Let the side of a square be x centimeter. Then area A. Then area of a square A is equal to side into side means x into x. We get x square. Clear? X into x means x square. Now when the side of a square is decreased by 3 times, the side of a square is decreased by 3 times, the side of the new square, the side of the new square will be x by 3 centimeter. X by 3 when the side of a square is decreased by 3 times. Clear? So area of the new square is side into side means x by 3 into x by 3. We get x square by 9. X into x square and 3 is 9 centimeter square. We can write it 1 by 9 x square. 1 by 9 x square, that means x square by 9. And 1 by 9 multiply a. Why? Because a is equal to x square. See here. A equal to x square. So put a is equal to x square. That means 1 by 9 into a area. Clear? So if the side is decreased by 3 times, then area is decreased by 1/9. You can say here 1/9. Clear? When the side is decreased by 3 times, then area is decreased by 1/9. 1 by 9th area. Clear? So option number D is correct. 1/9. Clear? Guys, you have to do question number 4 yourself. You need to find your area. Area of rectangle. Length into breadth means 30 multiply 20. We get 600 centimeters. So please do it yourself. Clear? Now question number 5. See here. Question number 5. Perimeter of a square whose area is 144 centimeter square. You have given here area, but we need to find perimeter of a square. So guys, please see here. Area of a square 144 centimeter square. We know that area of a square side into side is equal to 144 centimeter square. Sides into side is equal to side square. We get 144 we can write 12 multiplied 12 means a square root of 12. 12 12 ja 144. Clear? So side square means 12 square. Side square means 12 square. 12 square means 144. Clear? So a square cancel. So side is 12 centimeter. The side of a square is 12 centimeter. Then perimeter of a square 4 into length of one side. 4 into 12 we get 48 centimeter. So option B is correct. 48. Clear? I hope you will understand this shift speak, and please do next question and show me. Okay, that's all. Thank you.